What's up guys, Alan here with Edge Autosport, and this continues more videos for the VB WRX. And today we're doing an unboxing of the ETS Intake. Here we have the box containing that intake, so let's open it up and see what's inside. All right, here we go. Inside you have foam. You have packing material. You have a baggie with couplers and clamps. You have an air filter. And a box. And an air box. We have an intake tube. Powder coated black. Very nice. More packing material, more packing material, packing material. Oh, here we go. MAF housing. Ooh, that's nice. So here I have the ETS intake for the VB WRX. This is what comes in the box. You get air filter, some couplers, clamps, MAF housing, some hardware, and a bracket. And you got some instructions, I believe. Nope. There's a packing list. So that gets thrown away without even looking at it. And some stickers. We also have the intake tube and the air box. I believe you can get this kit without the air box as well, but I like the look of the air box, and I like that it isolates the filter a bit from some of the engine bay heat. So we're going to be running the air box on our WRX. So we are a little bit late to the game with the unboxing of the ETS intake, as these have been out for quite a while. But I do remember there being some issues early on with ETS intakes where they were running a little bit lean when you install them without a tune. I believe ETS is solving that with this little insert in the MAF housing, which brings the MAF diameter back down and helps prevent the car from running lean. Because the MAF is calibrated in the tune for the diameter here, the factory diameter, and when it gets bigger, you get more airflow going past the MAF sensor, and if you don't change the calibration, the car doesn't know that you've got more air and it will not put in enough fuel. So with this little insert that they have here, it is going to correct that and make sure that you are getting the correct amount of fuel and not running lean. Well, thanks for checking out this unboxing of the ETS intake. This intake is available on the site at edgeautosport.com, and we will be installing it soon on our Project WRX. It's going to be done on the dyno so that we can get some data and show you guys how much this makes. If anything, we don't know yet. We haven't got to put it on. And we're going to show you why it makes power, if it does make power. So be sure and stay tuned to the channel, like and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.